too early there.
It's okay.
Nice try.
CC.
Phoenix one.
Got it.
Oh shit. Go.
It's fine, you guys go.
Yeah, I'll try and rest the ankle when we get there.
If you get me up, I can get Decker up.
Actually, I can't. My rest is still on cooldown. Somebody else has to do it.
It's not worth risking it, I'll just...
Okay.
I need all the DPS alive, though.
Close the walkway door.
Oh man.
Oh,
And my DPS are not alive.
it might be. Go, 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 go.
Excellent. Ready to clear. Access the control room console with Rattler's ID.
Under. I don't think they're evading.
Yes? Arctic, Res.
The nasty lot.
I don't see your
gathering
body.
Yeah,
Okay, well, then we're fucked.
Unknown failure. Holding
yeah,
Ken's
this is
power.
bad.
Just hold on.
Very,
It'll
for what
reboot.
it's worth. Guys, get in the flag, get in the flag. Help me
That's
kill
why
these things.
Res me.
You're up. Stop complaining.
Oh, now we get to watch Arctic try.
No, Decker's
Wait,
up.
you got it.
I'm AoE taunting.
Bearing again. Kill the walkers DPS.
I'm popping a map back here.
Alert. Unauthorized
And
platforms
Adreno
detected in
popping
control
everything that I have.
Initiating warding protocol.
I'm good.
Okay, get ready to move out. Go to the corner.
Moving out.
Shield is
Bearing.
Unknown failure. Holding
Kill everything. Kill everything that's here.
I taunted the Shadow Walker.
Got it. I'll just kill off the stuff that's still on us.
Tell me if you
Not
need
dead.
a Decker.
Go to the middle. Go to the middle now.
Droid.
Going to taunt.
Yep.
No.
Yes,
Not
up
yet.
the droid. Then read buff and
Move
whatever
on.
you
Hang on. Mara buff will be up very shortly.
whenever you
There
can.
it is.
Placing flare. I
Taunt,
already aggro
Yeah.
drop.
taunt,
Got
taunt, taunt.
everything. I got it.
Good. That's all dead. Watch it.
I self out, so it won't hurt me.
Bearing again. Kill that droid.
Player more often. Droid needs to
I
die.
have a mad Vector.
Yeah, I
Working
need
on
to
it.
pick up all the flares. I need to get it. Placing flare. Kill it.
It's done.
It's
Click,
dead.
click.
Use the console.
Okay.
I have an
Need
AoE taunt in
another
5.
mess, it's a kill.
I'm gonna need another flare because I have
Yeah, I'm
no.
picking them up.
Like
I have
I
an
AoE
had things.
Bearing now.
Yeah, and that's that
Good job,
fight.
guys. That's it.
Yeah. Good job,
Can you-
Arctic. You were the best support tank ever.
Hey, you whined when I said.
I think Zaro. I think Zaro is the best support tank. Being dead is better than being alive.
Hey, I brought you back.